before we had our contract signed. Ayan si boss, tama natin si boss RGTV, bro JRTV, Mikey Moto TV in the house. Solid, ang gaganda. Ang kita nyo naman. Right now, we're having our lunch time. Ito yung mga motor namin. May silipin natin kung saan area to. Right? So yun mga bar, no? May pakain muna. Kain muna bago contract signing. Umpisa pa lang. Busog na kami dito sa Easy Jersey. Simula pa lang ang bakbakan, pero busog na kami. Ayan, grabe na si Bossing pa yung nagsandok. Solid talaga. Grabe. So dito lang yan malapit sa may bayan. This is away, almost 2 minutes away from bayan ng Mangatarem. So doon lang yung Mangatarem. Silipin lang natin kung saan area to mamaya. So if you're look into customized jersey, full sublimations, free layout, unlimited design, you are welcome and please inquire inside. Dito lamang sa Easy Jersey Mangatarem branch. So they have their numbers there, 0991-937-3255, and you can follow their Facebook page on Easy Jersey Mangatarem. Ayan. So hindi sa madalit sabi, napakaganda ng designs dito, solid. You can inquire any colors you want, any designs you want, from basketball jerseys, shorts jerseys, sa mga full suits, sa mga t-shirts na available dyan. You can inquire here. Ayan, so we are very much welcome here, and maraming salamat po sa pag-accommodate. Si Bossing pa yung nagsasandok. Kita naman gaano kami kamahal ni Bossing. Busog na busog kami mga pa. Alright, let's go, guys.